The agentic enterprise is here, whether you are ready for it or not. And some things to keep in mind about that. Many people start with task automation. Simple things like meeting prep and where's my order and answer questions with knowledge. And this is just the first step in people's journeys to a fully agentic enterprise. Now, a couple of things to keep in mind for that. This is not a normal technology transformation. This is an adaptive transformation where you must always keep the mindset of experimentation, of learning and curiosity. You won't always have absolute experts at this space is new. You will have stakeholders, and please be mindful of the space is changing literally every day. You don't have static problems to fix, but a huge, tremendous opportunity ahead of you all. Full stop. It allows people to cease the endless wrestling with siloed business application systems. AI can really act as this blending force to integrate many processes and businesses and really unlocking the potential of our business data and our humans. Secondly, it really allows that low-value, repetitive, tedious work to be handled by AI agents, freeing people up, your humans, to more high-value activities and customer interactions. And then finally, these headless architectures and these coding agents are changing the shape of everything, whether we're talking about tech stacks or the work itself, where we can use coding agents and these headless experiences to really transform our business processes. First, so many enterprises around the world have Salesforce as their enterprise business application systems. Their humans, their processes, their workflows, their standards, their tribal knowledge is all that context in Salesforce. So you definitely want to exploit it. Second, it is incredibly open, but not unopinionated. Because we have all these line of business clouds and industry clouds, we have all these out-of-the-box experiences that both validate your use case ideas and accelerate the development of them. And third, this openness is incredible. We have built into our application openness at every level, whether it's the choice that you have in LLMs, the dynamic ways we can ground with context and data, not just from Salesforce, but from your enterprise sources, and the tools and the coding agents that can be brought into the environment. All of this accelerates innovation and allows adjacent decisions you've made in other parts of your organization to be fully levered. And then finally, a note on the democratization of the creation of these things. We have everything from no code, clicks not code way to build these environments, scripting languages and code for the AI developers who love that, and then coding agents and bring your own IDEs for people who choose their other tools. So those are some of the top things in today's world that make it unique.